I noticed sawdust at the bottom of our tree, and then I did some research, and it was ants burrowing in this tree. They're black carpenter ants, and I don't want it to hurt the tree because this tree, when we moved in here, is pretty substantial, and we were told that it was 86 years old, so this definitely could not be replaced. So right where the sawdust is, I originally put some pellets down there, and then I noticed that ants are very smart, so I noticed that they were hauling the pellets away from the site. They were actually dropping them overboard onto the ground, and there were ants over here carrying them away, so they're very smart. So I got my hands on some 7 dust, and this is the powder, and what I did is I actually sprinkled it in all the crevices, even where the ants were, because they will make a new space. So they were going in and out of there, in and out of there. Here's where the big sawdust is, and if you could see, there is a dead ant right there. But I had tried several different things with this, with trying to get rid of these ants. I even sprayed ant killer down in the holes. But with this dust, I went ahead and I went all around, because I've been watching them, and they will find another entrance point. This was an entrance point for them as well, and I don't see any activity. So I made a 7 dust ring all the way around the tree, so they would have to walk through it to get into it. And it did rain the other day and washed it away, or washed it in, if you want to say. So I went ahead and I did it again. Now this is the dust, not the spray. I went and bought the spray today in case this didn't work, but I'm actually liking what I'm seeing. The first time I applied this was probably about a week ago. It does say that it could take several weeks for this to work. I'm not seeing any ants, but that doesn't mean anything, because when I first started doing it, I didn't see any ants. See, like there's one. See him? So, and he's walking right through it. So it does take a little bit to kill them. You might have to continuously reapply, but I was going to use this. This is the liquid, and it's in a nice self ready to go pumper, and I was actually just going to get it all down in the holes and all the crevices to get inside all those channels that they built, because obviously there's a big pile of sawdust here, so they have quite the head start on me. Okay, I'll do an update later. Tell you how it works out. So far it's looking good. So, and like I said, we're about, I want to say about 13 days in.